Hello Techers, I'm Doc E, the resident senior techer and founder of PhenomTech. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to resolve issues on updating Windows 10 with the latest version update. The problem we have is that of being unable to update to the latest version of Windows 10. On average, there are about 2 major feature updates being posted by Microsoft every year, and definitely, an update to Windows is more than welcome. Unfortunately, a number of users are unable to update their Windows 10 for a number of reasons which we will address in this video. Let me show you how. When an update is rolled out, you should get a notification on your taskbar regarding the update. Click the notification to run the system update. You will be prompted with choices on how should the update be done, and you should choose whatever option is convenient to you. As an alternative, you may go to Settings, Update, and Security, Windows Update, and click Check for Updates. You would see Feature Update to Windows 20, version 20H2, for example, if available, and you just need to click Download and install. There are instances where users would run into a problem or have errors in updating. If this happens, you may try the following according to Microsoft. Number 1. Make sure your device is connected to the internet since updates need access to this service. Number 2. Try to install the update manually by doing the following. Run Windows Update Troubleshooter. Select Start, Settings, Update, and Security, Troubleshoot. Under Get Up and Running, select Windows Update. Number 3. If for any reason the troubleshooter is not able to help you with the update, please go to this link for Microsoft's guide to dealing with update issues. That's it. We do hope that we were able to help you get through updating Windows. Let me know in the comment below if you were able to solve the issue. Remember, commenting is sharing. Thank you very much for viewing our video. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. This is Doc E of PhenomTech. Have a great day everyone.